As Mr. Lokesh has rightly mentioned, I started working for IT when I was 7th class. But I applied information technology in 1983-84, just he was born at that time. So, very inspiringly, I had some vision. Information technology will bring transparency, speediness, accountability, and whatnot, everything. That was the beginning. In India, nobody had a clue how to move forward. First time, I had a meeting with, today quantum computing, at least so many people have come. At that time, only few takers and some. They came, not one meeting, 2-3 meetings, we had a brainstorming. Finally, we thought we had to attempt it. We build one good iconic tower. That is where I called L&T. Even at that time, L&T was a premier organization in construction. I asked them to build iTech City under PPP model. That was the beginning in India to promote information technology.